Sometimes it's hard to learn on our own. It's no fun trying to do things when we're all alone. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Assalamu alaikum, Baba Ali.
Walaikum salam.
What do you have there, Baba Ali?
Cookies!
Oh, cookies! They look so yummy.
Wow, they look delicious.
Let's count how much cookies there are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cookies.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, and they look really yummy.
Yeah, it looks like candy chip cookies.
Let's count them again. Count with me, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
Wait, there were 10. Yeah, there's one missing.
Baba Ali, where did the one go?
Oh, maybe he dropped it. Look on the floor, Baba Ali.
Oh no, it's not there.
Maybe it's under the tray.
It's not there either.
Wait a second. Do you hear what I hear? Yeah, I hear it too.
Cookie Crunch!
Baba Ali, are you eating the missing cookie?
I think so. I see something sticking out on your cheek, Baba Ali.
Is that the cookie in your mouth?
Oh, come on, Baba Ali. You can't lie. Yeah, it's not good to lie.
The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to always tell the truth.
Yeah, Muslims don't lie.
It's okay for you to eat the cookie, but just don't lie about it.
Oh, look, I think he's sorry now.
Are you sorry for lying, Baba Ali?
I'm sorry.
I think he wants to eat the cookie now. It's okay. He should finish it.
MashaAllah. Good job, Baba Ali, for telling the truth.
Hooray for Baba Ali! He told the truth.
Now you can enjoy your cookie.
See you later, Baba Ali. Assalamu alaikum.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.